We're looking at the fourth and last rule for when to apply the dative case. You can check out my profile or channel if you missed the first 3 rules, and don't forget to give this video a like and follow for more tips. The fourth rule can be described as adjectives with dative. And these adjectives often describe a temporary physical feeling, or we use the dative case to avoid ambiguity, so there is no confusion in the sentence. Let's look at these example sentences. Ich bin peinlich und mir ist peinlich. So the first one says I am embarrassing, and the second one says I am embarrassed, or to me it is embarrassing. Now, in German, most adjectives also function as adverbs. So where we have embarrassing and embarrassed in English, we only have the word peinlich in German. To avoid any confusion, we simply use the dative case so that it's clear who is feeling embarrassed. Let's look at another one. Ich bin kalt und mir ist kalt. So the first one says I am cold, and this is referring to a condition, a state. So you're saying this is who I am cold. In other words, what you are saying here is I am a cold person. In the second sentence, you're saying mir ist kalt or mir ist es kalt. We usually leave out the s just because it's a more common way of speaking and it's faster, but the s is of course implied, so the nominative. So you're saying to me it is cold. So there are quite a few adjectives that work this way, and what we have to remember is just if it is a temporary physical feeling that was created from an outside source, so does not come from me, in other words, it's not my state or being, then I would use the dative case, or to avoid ambiguity, to avoid confusion. I hope this helped, but do let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to learn German with me, I am available on Amazing Talker for one-on-one and group classes. Simply comment the word Pro in the comment section and I'll send you a link with all the details. Bis bald!